Akwari nke m kwuru ya kwa m na-ekwuru. Ma ihe na ekwuru bụ nke m ji wee eme ma na ọ bụ ọfụmere ata. Ọ bụ ihe dị ma mgbe gboo. Mgbe gboo anyị ga-eme naanị. Anyị ga-eme na-apụ elefa n'eji oge anyị dara mmadụ mgbe. Ọ ka dọrọ akụkọ ọ bụ kwara na-agbakarị wee. Ịgwọ ha ọgọdọ ifere. Ebe ka anyị efichichi ndị ha kọrọ na-ewe ozi okwu ọgọdọ iri. Ebughechie ya ọ bụrụ ihe omume anyị na-akpọ ma ọ bụrụ ihe dịka unu ji rute ka agba ọnụ na karịa ka agba bụ nwaanyị ekwe bụ mgbe anyị kwuo unu ji
The pattern of football this season has improved greatly from my team. There's no doubt about it. The local football club is playing very, very well. We have modified our pattern to suit the modern day football today. Thank you.
Permit me to welcome the image maker, the man that has been at the helm of affair, the man that says football should continue as far as Ochinawata and indeed and other sponsors are concerned. Since 2011 to date, Honorable Ilaruchi Anaego has been up and doing, promoting soccer and doing justice to what football is about in Akedogu. Honorable, you're highly welcome, sir. And the chairman FA, Calico, I can make one or two things. Kamara, Unity, Nadeshi, Akadoro, Maka, Onoda, and Battle, and what do you have to say concerning this year's event?
Good evening. Like I said during the opening ceremony, the game is improving by the day. The players are playing very well. The organizers are trying their best. And most importantly, the game is going on peacefully. As you can see, there is no security personnel here. Not police, not army, not even vigilante. Everywhere is calm. That means we are improving by the day. I pray for injury-free game. Let the better team win. Thank you.
The chairman of FA, please, I want to see you in our stand because we really need you. You have played very well. We know you internationally and otherwise. Organizational ability, you have it. And today's event, your team made it to happen. What is your package for us?
Good evening all. Thank everybody. There's no need to ask our package because the package is out. The game is on. The first stanza has gone.
Who is going to win?
Well, the better team will win.
How do we know the better team?
Well, in the field of play. The buy, not on the buy. I was so good. I can ask somebody. Yeah, actually, on the buy, get up. Match out, go qua. We have never spoken or who we are presented in the mud. Mankage, ye one. Mankage in the particle. Mandi referee. How much did I put in canopy? A boy on a walk out, we are named Bicon. Mother, if they go by Yabe, I would have borrowed why New Year. I didn't know about here. Kaibaro and the Better record. You could open a walk and college support. I support you. ekene aka na-ejekwara uche Nwachukwu Yukon emeka en competition nwa o so Chukwu ga-akwụ ụgwọ ya ma ndị ọzọ niile ma ndị were ụgwọ aka ma ndị were ụgwọ ọnụ onye na-eme taa mara nke ọ ga-emere aka bụ ugwu echi ekene m
The two sides are going to the elephant side. Gradually they are walking into the pitch, led by Jason and Wembley match, and they defeat them by 2 goals to nothing. And later on again, the Abido team was walloped by a wonderful goal from Elephant Football Club of Atapu. Is it 5 goals to nothing or what? That's better. Is it 5 goals to nothing? Amibu at Atapu at the preliminary level. Is it 5 goals to nothing?
Jesus! We must
win! Back to the pitch. Goes there, 2-1. Yeah. You look side, and another one again. The clearance by the Stallion to block up of Amago, making the ball up there for a wonderful outing. And later on the defensive wall of Stallion and Lonsu over by name. And Taiwo, the captain of the side, goes back to do something better. Missed a high one there. And the header brought it fine by the defensive wall of Ataku. And the clearance there by Imango, who really shows he's there to represent the team effectively. The man who is living up to expectation, doing what he could do in order to make sure that they retain this trophy.
Thank you very much. We are just entering the second half of this tournament, or rather this particular game. And free kick about to be taken there, almost at the corner flag, or corner kick rather I say, about to be taken. Corner kick coming to the Stallions, and moving back there now is that left footer who watches the field, hits it up high there now. Beautiful catch there by that goalkeeper for the Elephants. So the referee right there, he says it's for an improvement. So it's going to be a free kick there now. And the goalkeeper there now watches the field. Drops the ball, moves back as he watches the field. 1, 2, 3, you can't. Hits it high. And the ball is still high. Just number 15 for the Stallions. Kicking the ball now, but just number 2 for Elephants. Billy Darling with that ball. And moving there now, but the ball has gone out of touch for a throw in. Just somebody's down. He's throwing somebody's down, and the referee has gone to attend to that player. And still have a word with that particular player who had that infringement on him. Like I said, we don't want any injury here. We are here for a friendly game. We are here for a brotherly game. We are not wrestling here, but we are playing football. Just number 12 for the Stallions. I move back now with the ball. He moves inside the crowd and throws the ball down. And our head's going up. Elephants trying to clear. I header there now by the Stallion. And just number 13 watches the field line. He has somebody on him. Frantic clearance there by that player of the Elephants. Watching the field line. Just number 13 for the Elephants. He has a man to beat. The ball has gone out of touch for a throw in to the Elephants.
Ladies and gentlemen, ready to test on the pandemonium. The Stallion player, this number 7, with the ball, and 7 has been pushed. The referee is going out in this game. As just number 7, watch out the field, hits it high, and it is right up for once again. And the referee, and the problem yellow card to Jack Best number 3. I don't know his name, Nicholas America. Just number 3 has been yellow card, and the moving down and what he said in the thank you very much. I'd rather upset because I see the red card and yellow card, the referee's hands, but it's rather of course the card that was given is yellow and not red. Please, we don't want a red card because the referee doesn't want to give it to anybody. But if you don't want it to be given to you, go to that. Stallion, Elephants, and Kentucky. This black line, this is the black line. I think of the paper of this game picking up, as I see this, Goes back to taking. Quickly taking. The header drops it down when he faces the wall of Elephants. Pulls it out to get the chest of them. Drops it to the BC. Pull now pulls it back to Pascal. Pascal transform. Looking good. He chips a nice one there. To man, there's BC. He has something else for us to do. Nice goalkeeping. And nice excellent to Pascal at the back of the What a wonderful match. The two teams are living up to expectation. They are moving fine. Bouncing the ball the way it's supposed to be. And indeed, it's a wonderful outing. Lewis back. The goalkeeper on the side. The goalkeepers. Really tried. I think the contract has been awarded for rehabilitation of this pitch to at least a temporary stadium. Yes, it should be given. Water therapy. Coca-Cola, don't say that to him. Our Caliban team has what it takes to really support this game. Really? Yes. Okay, then he has been attended to, I must have to say. And then he moves back now. Because I don't know what to do. You guys, Chairman, Ikebuku Football Association. End of the first second half.
Come on.
I can remember when I moved to the time I can't ride in with that. And Beacon. Okay, I'm going to team. I'm going to Beacon. How will it give? Habia now we medals. Yeah, finals. Habia. The players should come. The players. Yes. I like
Open the wide.
Oh, back but I can this age of eating. I see now. I wasn't there for you one. They would get present to them. I wouldn't be out in the buy man. They will 30 years. I want competition now. I can move on and down more. I call it you one, I can be good. On behalf of Ndake Benine, my boss on the FA. On behalf of Ndake Benine, Right Honorable Labucha Niago, Chifuche Wachuku, and those on Nine and the FA. I say, I His Royal Majesty, Ugo Greg Ugu, the Grand Pillar of Sports in Akebugu, Obele Yoya. He said, I take in Gomorimi, taking a grand cock again. You go. Aka with you,
Because I was you there, because that's all right, that's another easy. That's all right, that's another easy. You go.
I get you a medal. Close to Baba Lonoa. So don't park up. Akebugu, I get you right on the Labucha Niago, get one. Those of the name, I might make it a matching Kaiba. Congratulations. The guy can agani. I get a special guest of honor. Which Wajuku. Who's been a very check and competition now. Because the young man are keeping out there, man. You go. The officiating referees, chief ref and code, go back on.
Mancha. Hey,
I'm all the referees. This is a competition. No one. Do Mbeda. Hamero Homa. Ewe na me reach since ball abi doru. Askai kene han. No never who back and go on. So that I go ha hozo. Agaba no yerai. Odi is a village match. Akrosh na akro bottle. Okay, if they young referees. Obo kene do ha Oga Soba. Man si sebi dora. And the glass so I need to know Sky Hamada. Was a the Bancha. Oh, the corner.
Congratulations, Talents Republic of Amado, the runners-up of this year's competition.
Yeah, man. Taiwo. Oye.
Those are in our cup, the champions. Champions in the full cup. I don't know how many are in how. I cannot compare a cup, Kita.
Aneka, anatuazo, banana, atuazo. Una cena, cena. Una cena, ya. Nana, una raya,
Magana Abuabuzi, Madame Lady organized. They will be taken over and now they have ha mere nke ọma echiri mgbe akụghị ọkpọ mmadụ nwere ụlọ so biko na anyị na-asị na anyị si na be ihe Akebechi na be ihe nụ I got crowned there with leather. Starting from the chairman of the FA, Captain of Kenneth Nachi. Congratulations, Kendo. Now, Papu. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Well done. Even now, what the heck are you doing? Was on his one. Was on his one.
Congratulations. Pass letter. Congratulations. And a sheet general. A sheet general. How do you do? I need Nasum day in the book of you. And as you go moving around, make the people on the Rabira Buchan and since 2011 to date, when they went out to his Manama, remember my down the corridor of the Gabani, the Gachapa House of Assembly, the Katagapara. Sure. Thank you very much. You have a presentation of God.
Now, my own who you love China, I take over from him. We go square near Matari Okusuri. We can present this trophy to the champions. Honorable.
Thank you. Oh, yes. DJ.
I want to talk to my people in language I can talk to my people and the FA. I am going to appreciate the organization of the 2019 champions. Three times in a row. Without wasting time, I'm just going to go through. I'm going to go to present this trophy.